Hello, my dear students. So, how are you? Hope you are doing very well and you are very fine. So, right now, what happens in last class, we learn the some formula, basic formula of trigonometry. Okay. So, right now, we are building the concept. Once we complete the concept, then what happens? We will do all questions. So, almost 8.1 completed, 8.2 completed. Try to do all these questions. If you face any problem, please in comment section write that question. I will provide the explanation. Okay. So now we are working for the third part of the trigonometry. Okay, that is how to prove. So for proving, we need lots of formula. So we are working how to make this formula. Understand? So please complete this video, not skip the video in the middle, and share with your friend. So first, see, this is the basic formula. Sin is equals to what? P by H. Already I teach you na. So very simple. Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, and we write our mantra. What is the mantra, sir? Pandit Badri Prasad Bol Har Har, and from downward Pandit Badri Prasad Bol Har Har. So this is the basic formula. Okay. Now today we are going to learn the formula based on ratio. Okay. Like see, when we write sin. Okay. So sin is equals to. So we have to take sin na. So first we move the clockwise. So cos by cot. What it come? Cos by cot. If you move the anti-clockwise, then what we get? Tan by sec. So all these are equal. So we can say that here sin is equals to cos by cot. And again we can say that the sin is equals to tan by sec. Getting or not? So here what happens? Suppose that we have to find this. So first we move the clockwise, takes 2 number, and anti-clockwise 2 number. So when we are solving the question, so here what happens? Suppose that their LHS is given. We have to reach the RHS sometime from RHS to LHS. That is also possible. But what happens when we are doing the proving? So we have to do changes on based on formula. So there are the many formula. Total I think 30-40 formula. So one by one we learn. So this you understand how to? Now sir, I want to make, please prove sir how this is possible. See, sin. So what is sin here? P by H. So I will take here P by H. Okay, that's good. Now cos. Cos equals to B by H. So we write here B by H. Now divided by cot. Cot equals to B by P. Okay, and already you know the here which formula we have to take reciprocal. KCF formula. So this, now we change the sign and make it reciprocal. Now BB cancel. What we get here? P by H. So this and this is going to be same. Like that you can prove anyone. And this is applicable for everyone. Suppose that you are taking the next two. Okay. Here. Now sin completed. Cos. So for cos equals to what we can write? Next two. So we write here cot by cos. Second, what we can write here? This side, anti-clockwise. So cos equals to, we can write here sin by tan. Understand? So if you draw this one, this is very easy. This is what? First we have to draw the regular hexagon, and then we have to write here sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay? And one thing to remember, all C come one side. See here. Every what happens? All C come one side only, and all STS come this side. So no need to confuse. Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So in exam time or while you are solving the problem, you confuse with formula. Okay. So at that time, what you do, in just side of this, you make the regular hexagon and you find if we are getting right or wrong. Okay. This is very easy method. Same like that. If you want to write the cot, so cot equal to what we can write here? Cot equals to cosec by sec. One thing. Other what we can say anti-clockwise. So what we can write here? Cos by sin. Understand? So for everyone, there is a 6. So for this 2 formula, for this 2 formula, for this 2. So total here we make the 12 formula. 6 into 12. What we write here? 6 into 12. Sorry, 6 into 2, that is going to be 12. So 6 formula based on clockwise and 6 formula based on anti-clockwise. Simple one. If you find, just take next number and do division. Okay. This is the one concept. In another concept, we write the multiplication form. suppose that here we have to take sine. So here sine is equals to, now middle na, so one this side, one this side. So sine is equals to cos into tan. Okay, if you go with cos, so cos is equals to sine into cot. Very simple. Na? If you go for cot, so we can write here cot equal to cos into cosec. Now if you go for sec, cosec, so cosec is equals to cot into sec. Like that. If you go for sec, so what we write here? Tan into cosec. If you go for tan, so we can write here tan is equals to sine into sec. So here what in this formula, na, see sometimes we confuse, but it's very easy. You write in this format, and what you do na, suppose that this is sine. So this is the middle part, you take this two side. If cot, so we take these two part. Cosec, we take these two part, like that. Okay, sir, proof one. Okay, so here see suppose that sine. So we know that the formula for sine is what? The sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now cos equals to what? B by h into tan. Tan equal to P by B. Now see, P by B. Now B cancel, means base cancel. What we get here? P by H. See, we are getting the same one na. So 6. So now we get 6 formula based on multiplication. So total 18 formula we learn only in 5 minutes. Okay. So please revise this video and do this. Okay. And practice all this formula. So in next class na, I give you complementary formula, then square formula. So do two formula, we will complete that one. It's very easy. So please continue in our video, and we will meet in the next class. Bye.